In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on your photos to add them. If you can't find them here, select Google Gallery section over here. Tap on your photo and choose Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it after tapping on Gallery, select Folders. Hold one of your photos that you wish to add in Recent Files, one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines in one of those sources. And when you're done, hit Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!